right, finally getting this 7 1/4 chop saw out. It's like so lightweight. I'll tell you what, first thing you notice is it's a lot more solider? Solidified? What's the word I'm looking for? It's a lot more solid.
A lot more solid, yeah.
This doesn't sound right. Instead of using a square to get your angles right, we can just set it up one time, lock it into place, and cut all of our stuff up. Gotta have the ear protection. ISO tunes for the win. See, what I like about ISO tunes is not only do they work well, but you look a lot more professional in a set of ISO tunes than you do with those cheap, like 50-cent earplugs. Would you agree, Greg?
I agree.
Now how do I look? I got some eye protection. Thank you for this 2x12. It's a thing of beauty. As you can tell, this is how strong I am. Crap! What is wrong with lumber yards these days? Nah, I'm joking. I actually broke that. It was a perfectly good board. Okay, so we're cutting some X bracing that goes on our walls. And instead of having to mark all these out for angles, I'm going to set it one time on the chop saw. See how this goes, man. This is 4. Nice clean cut. See, the only thing I don't like is I can't really see. It does make a really nice clean cut. I wouldn't say it's got like all the power in the world. We're just cross-cutting a 2x6, but I'm gonna push it on this one. I'm just gonna jam it in there, Greg. I'm gonna really see. Yeah, it's not bad. I mean, nobody's in that much of a hurry. If you want a nice clean cut, you're not gonna just shove your blade into the board. Smooth as butter. Look at that. Smooth. So a couple features that I like about this right away is I like the ability to just hit the light. You can just turn this on and it shines bright like a diamond, because now that we're into this winter-ish time frame, it's just dark early and you know you're gonna need light. Other than that, it's basically a chop saw, man. Oh no, it's also my curling machine. So gotta keep those curls for the girls, Greg. Curls for the girls. You wanna try?